think, kiddo?
You want me to carry the box? Might feel safer with you.
What do you think? You go inside? You're not gonna like that nail shot.
Back he goes.
It's way back.
He's crawling. Did you see him crawl?
I know, it's like he doesn't think he can walk for so long or something. Where are you going? Babe. Oh.